Are you ready to transform your life? Let's begin your transformation.
Are you ready to transform your life? At Elevate Academy, we're here to help you unlock your potential and rise above any challenge. Elevate Academy isn't just a place for learning. It's where you come to elevate every part of your life, personally and professionally. Our mission is simple: empowering individuals to overcome obstacles, defeat opposition, and grow into the best version of themselves. At Elevate Academy, we believe everyone has the power to transform. Our approach is tailored to your unique journey, helping you break through limitations and discover new possibilities. Our services cover all aspects of personal and professional development, from one-on-one coaching to leadership workshops, emotional intelligence training, and even specialized programs for managing life's transitions. There's something for everyone at Elevate Academy. Need personal guidance? We offer personalized coaching sessions to help you set and achieve your goals. Want to grow as a leader? Our leadership training and career development programs give you the tools to thrive in any professional environment. Emotional intelligence is key in today's world. That's why we offer training to help you build self-awareness, manage emotions, and improve relationships both at work and in life. Elevate Academy helped me break through the challenges I faced at work. I'm more confident, and I've learned how to lead effectively. The Emotional Intelligence program gave me the tools to handle stress and build stronger connections with people around me. Ready to take control of your future? It's time to elevate your life. Visit us at Elevate Academy online, explore our services, and book your first session today. Elevate Academy, unlock your potential. Embrace the future.
Visit our website today: www.soelevateacademy.com. Email: info@soelevateacademy.com. Book now.